preparing for our next pose, which is camel. So knees are about hip width distance apart. Bring your palms towards your low back so that your thumbs are hooked on your hip bones and your fingertips are facing towards the ground. Deep inhale, lift through your chest. And as you exhale, gently lean back, coming into your camel pose. Being very mindful here. So this doesn't have to be a super deep back bend for the benefits to be felt. So as you are pushing those hip bones forward, feeling that stretch within your quads and within your back, you can stay in that gentle back bend, just leaning back, but if it would feel good to take this into a deeper back bend variation, you can bring those hands onto your heels or ankles. And you can also move through half camel like how I am, where you bring one hand to one ankle as the other arm is reaching up and back and moving through between both sides. Camel pose is great for stretching and opening up through your front side body while also strengthening your back and your shoulders while also targeting your quads. If you haven't already, begin to slowly and gently